While we're waiting for the judges to get their score sheets all together, just to let you know the beautiful and talented Serena Lachlan will be singing later on today, so you get to enjoy her beautiful voice and melodies. Also, the beautiful and talented as well, Moyata Lachlan will be conducting a workshop from 6:30 to 9:30 at the Lake Polynesian Studio next Tuesday evening, so if you're interested, you can contact me if you'd like. Judges are almost ready. All right, they are ready. All right, ladies, here we go. Just a few more seconds, ladies. In a few minutes, we're